Well, we got first cutting done. Had a couple issues. My dad's hauling the other wagon out of this field here. And we have this one here. But I had a couple issues with the baler. You know, as to be expected, especially when, you know, they sit. Sometimes you gotta make some adjustments, but didn't want to tie on one side every so often, but it's a pretty quick fix. But needless to say, we got everything done. Probably have to take a little look at this and see what I need to do on it. But you know, it kind of is what it is with old balers. They have lots of quirks and gremlins. So, but yeah, it's always a good feeling to see a field all harvested and clean. Really can't beat it, to tell you the truth. But yeah, so. But I left the key on accident, so but yeah, so I just gotta go up, put the baler away, and get these last two wagons unloaded and call it a cutting. So all right, well, thanks for watching.